Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is 29th and अभी बज रहे हैं रात के like 10 p.m. and welcome to another vlog. And you guys must be guessing where am I? I'm in Netherlands and me and my friend, we came to her place in Leiden, and from tomorrow we're gonna start that trip. So stay tuned for amazing stuff and see you in a bit. Hi guys, good morning from Leiden. बोलते क्या बोलते हैं? Leiden. Good morning from Leiden. We are all set and now we are going to another city to explore, and the wind is too strong. And let's see how it goes. And this is also very pretty. See, so pretty. I'm gonna show you. What were you saying? Say one day we'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. That's what you're doing. Yes. So people, I'm in the Hague and I'm gonna show you the buildings. बहुत सुंदर है. It's like so pretty. And we have more plans today, so it's a quick stop here and I'm gonna show you. Wait. हेलो पीपल, तो मैं पहुंच गई हूँ zaandam में एंड इसको कहते हैं कलरफुल सिटी है. सब तरफ लाइक कलर्स एंड स्टफ. सो यूट्यूब. बाय द वे, मीट मेघा आफ्टर 8 years मिले. सेम, हम तीनों मिले थे कोटा में एंड नाउ वी आर मीटिंग हियर. सो अमेजिंग ट्रिप. सी यू इन अ बिट. Hi guys, so we came back from zaandam to Leiden again because we need to explore the city as well. So I'm gonna show you everything that I see, and it's so cold. It's so cold, but I'm having fun with my friends and let's see how it goes. See you in a bit. ugly guy. Beauty. Hi guys, good evening. So we are in Amsterdam. So today is 31st and we are gonna see the fireworks and explore the city a bit. So stay tuned and enjoy. Hi guys! So in India it's already New Year, so Happy New Year! In Spain and Amsterdam it will be in like 4.5 hours, so I'm gonna see there. And look, so we just had dinner in a Chinese restaurant and now we are heading to the center and this is my water, to buy some things, and then we're gonna go to see the laser show, so stay tuned for more. Look at this way.
En jij hoort daarbij. Wij zijn Amsterdam.
Hi guys, so Happy New Year. Today is 1st of January and it's afternoon, but we are going out late because yesterday we came very late. So we are going to a place named Utrecht and then we are going to Amsterdam because we booked a cruise there for some show. So stay tuned and enjoy the video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button and do comments below. So guys, we have reached Utrecht and I needed a coffee because it's super cold and my throat was hurting. Now we're gonna explore, and don't mind my looks, please. It's super cold. So I'm gonna see you in a bit. And Hello guys, so we had amazing dinner that costed us our kidney, but no, it's fine. And now we are heading back to Leiden. Look at all of us. It started raining again. So we are in Amsterdam and it started raining again as usual. But and my pretty girls are okay. So we are heading back to Leiden now, and it was amazing. The day was amazing, and we had a lot of fun in this trip. Tomorrow we are gonna go to the beach, and then we have our flights to our countries. So see you then. Bye bye. Hi guys. So today is the last day in Netherlands and we have come to the beach, but unfortunately it's raining so badly. We are in Katwijk, but we'll just go to the beach to see, and then we are gonna head back because it's raining so much. And I'm gonna see you guys in the beach. People, this is it for the vlog. I have reached Barcelona and I'm gonna see you in my next video, so stay tuned. Bye.